Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your phone heating while charging on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin. So, don't you worry. The phone heating while you're charging it is completely normal and you shouldn't really worry about it too much, especially if the temperatures aren't really that high, like you can feel that it's hot, but it's not burning you or whatsoever. And normally in these videos I would also show you, for example, how to disable fast charging, because sometimes this can increase the temperature of your battery, but you will notice that we actually don't really have any kind of information like that. We don't really have the ability to disable this, and yeah, that's literally it. Also, I would advise you to, for example, install certain applications. For example, if you go into Play Store, oh, we're offline, give me a moment. Okay, and now we should have internet. So anyway, if you head into... Okay, give me a moment once again. So finally, after you enter your Play Store, you can, for example, go and search for battery information or battery health. And to be honest, it doesn't really matter which application you will install. I know that this has probably the most installs, but this application will, for example, tell you the temperature of your battery, something that you can't really access through your normal settings. And if you will see that the temperatures are actually very high, you can, for example, screenshot it and then try to contact the support. But basically, if you have the problem with temperature and like it's very, very hot, there's only one thing for you to do. Well, actually two things. First of all, you want to unplug your phone as fast as possible, but you probably don't want to take and like touch the USB itself, so you probably want to plug the charger out. And then, well, you probably want to take your Xperia 10 Mark VII to, for example, Sony shop in your area, or like some sort of phone workshop in your area, and have your battery checked. Usually it's not always the battery, sometimes it's just the USB ports. I remember very vividly one time when I experienced that someone connected their MetaQuest, like it doesn't really matter which device, but they connected the MetaQuest to USB, and because the port was like slightly offsetted in a different direction, they plug it in wrong. Like it's hard to say, but it basically wasn't plugged in correctly, and then it heat up, and then it continued to heat up, and the plastic around it started melting. There was smoke, the scent was also pretty bad. Usually a lot of bad things have happened. However, this shouldn't really happen in your SONY Xperia, because actually moving the USB port inside is very, very hard. However, once again, if you do experience it and it's like really, really hot, you should have it checked. But if it's just slightly higher temperature than normal, then you shouldn't worry about it at all. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.